The Supreme Court today dismissed a plea seeking postponement of the NEET PG examination scheduled for August 11. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices J.P. Pardiwala and Manoj Misra said it can't put the careers of 2 lakh students in jeopardy for 5 students. The All Assam Student Union AASU has warned Centre that Northeast cannot be a dumping ground of illegal Bangladeshis. All Assam Student Union Chief Advisor Samujal Bhattacharya said the indigenous people of Northeastern region and Northeast Student Organization is very much concerned about the situation cropped up in Bangladesh. When some incidents occurred in Bangladesh, the illegal influx, and due to that the indigenous people of Northeast always suffer, he said. Strongly denouncing the act of burning the print material in the Kangpokpi district by unknown assailants, the Manipur Media Fraternity staged in protest and suspended 1 day of duty. The fraternity termed the unfortunate incident as an act to silence the state media, which is a complete violation of freedom of speech, of rights and expression. Addressing to media at the sidelines of the protest, Vice President of the All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMWJU Raj Nongthombam said the protest demonstration is being held to condemn the arson of print materials in Kangpokpi district on August 7 during broad daylight. A case has been registered against a Delhi lawyer after 21-year-old woman alleged that he raped her inside his chamber at Tees Hazari Court on the pretext of giving her a job. The case was registered at Sabji Mandi police station after the aunt of the woman lodged a complaint on July 30. In her complaint, the aunt of the woman said her niece was looking for a job and she gave her the contact of the lawyer. After the woman contacted the lawyer, she was asked to visit the chamber to show her educational qualification. Samajwadi Party Member of Parliament Jaya Bachchan and Rajya Sabha Chairperson Jagdeep Dhankar went head-to-head in Parliament today after the former said the latter's tone is not acceptable. A furious Mr. Dhankar hit back sharply, declaring, "I don't want a schooling," and told Mrs. Bachchan, "You may be a celebrity, but you have to understand the decorum." A bill introduced in Iraq's parliament sparked concerns among right activists as it may reduce legal marriageable age of girls to 9 from the existing 18. The proposed bill would allow citizens to either approach religious authorities or the judiciary to resolve familial conflicts. Those supporting it says it aims to standardize Islamic law and protect girls from immoral relationships. The decision on whether Indian wrestler Vinesh Phokut will get a shared silver medal at Paris Olympics will be met before the Games and the Court of Arbitration for Sport (CAS) stated. It added the matter has been referred to the Honourable Dr. Annabel Bennett, ACSC Australia, who is sitting as a sole arbitrator. The parties will be heard today.